Hey guys, this is Tint and I will teach you PHP. So in this part we will complete what is PHP, what we should already know how to learn a PHP, right? And what PHP can do and why PHP is much more popular and which software we need to run a PHP, right? So in this part I will teach you lots of things. So this is the introduction part of the PHP, and some upcoming videos will be on a PHP, so you can complete your PHP tutorial at here, right? So let's see what is in PHP. PHP is a hypertext preprocessor, and this is the server side language, right? And PHP file extension is a .php, right? And the next question is what we should already know. So we need to some basic understanding about PHP, which is HTML, and CSS and JS, right? So we can include these things in a PHP file, right? So to create a HTML pages, and we can send the data to a database, we can encrypt the data, right? We can receive and sending the cookies, we can modify, delete the databases, right? And also we can create, close, delete, write, read, right? All the files on a server, right? So these things we will discuss. And the most important thing about a PHP, that is we can generate we can generate images, we can generate PDF files, we can generate the place movies, right? So PHP is a more important and more popular nowadays. If you think about a Facebook and WordPress, right? So these are the good example of the blogging system on the web, which is the WordPress, and the largest social networking site, which is the Facebook. So this site is a good example of the PHP, right? So PHP file extension has the .php, right? And this .php file requires some servers, because this is a server side language. So we need a server, which is we will use Apache, right? So I will suggest you to install some softwares in your computer, which is XAMPP. So XAMPP. So XAMPP already have Apache server inside, and we need a code editor, right? So code editor, so you can use Notepad++, Notepad, and even a NetBeans, right? So this code editor is much more popular, right? So let's start to download a XAMPP and install in our machine, and let's create a file of PHP and run on a browser. So that is the PHP, right? Hypertext preprocessor. So just copy this and paste on your browser, and this is the Apache friends, right? You can download. If you use Windows, you can use it here. Linux and Mac OS, lots of operating system supports the PHP, right? And it's inbuilt XAMPP. XAMPP is a software. It has already a Apache server, right? So you don't need to install separately Apache, right? Just copy to a download, just copy it here, right? And you can download and install. Just next. It is a simple process, right? And next thing, we need to a Notepad++, and hit enter. And you can also download this one, right? After installing in your machine XAMPP and Notepad++, XAMPP automatically create the folder inside in your C drive. XAMPP automatically it will create in your C drive. Go to htdoc, and here you can create. I have created already lots of project it here, right? And here you need to create a project means your folder, right? So already I have created the project, which is the PHP tutorial. I will show you where is PHP tutorial, which is this one. And you can create, just delete this file, right? And just right click, just new and text file, and you can replace your any name .php. So .php says this extension, it says this is the PHP file, and we can run on a server, right? So just yes, right? So after installing a XAMPP, you will get you will search on a XAMPP, XAMPP, right? So XAMPP control panel automatically in your system, right? And you need to start here. I have already installed this softwares, right? And you need to just drag and drop inside in your code editor. Just cancel it, right? Just close it. I have previously, right? So just drag and drop these files, right? And here we will start our PHP scripting it here. So question mark, this is the PHP tag, opening tag. This is called PHP opening tag, right? And if you wanted to show the message on a browser screen, right? So hello world, right? And semicolon. So if you wanted to run this project and this file, right? So we have installed XAMPP. So XAMPP has a Apache server, right? So we need to run this file. Just open your browser like this, localhost, and just paste your project name, right? So inside a htdoc I have created this project. Just copy the name and just paste it here, right? And you will see hello world, right? So this is the basic idea about a PHP, and next part we will understand lot more things about a PHP. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel so you can get new videos on a PHP, and you can start your journey with PHP. And